If you ever struggled with messy spreadsheets or time consuming financial reports, then you are in the right place. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Runway, the FP&A software, which is a modern platform that helps businesses with financial planning, budgeting, forecasting, and analysis so that you can have a more automated way to plan your finances, track performance, and collaborate across your teams. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Runway. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. And if this is your first time working with Runway, this is a perfect opportunity for you to create an account. How? Just simply go back to the main homepage and click the Book a Demo. From here, you can request for a free trial access. And if your request has been approved, one of the sales experts here will contact you. Otherwise, we can simply go back to the main homepage because we can learn more about the platform by going to the customers, change log, about, careers, docs, and login. So, because Runway can turn complexity into conviction, all right? Because you have the ability to analyze with AI. All right, so Runway uses artificial intelligence to help finance teams analyze large volumes of financial and operational data quickly. And with this, it automates trend detection, variance analysis, and forecasting. Instead of manually crunching numbers, AI surfaces key insights like anomalies, risks, or opportunities. This reduces human error and speeds up decision making. So think of it as having a smart financial assistant that points out what's important in your data. Of course, you have the ability to shape data to your business logic. It lets you customize how financial data is structured and presented according to your company's needs. You can apply your own rules, assumptions, and hierarchies. It ensures that your models, reports, and dashboards reflect how your business actually operates. No more being locked into rigid templates or generic models. For example, if your business tracks revenue by region and by subscription tier, you can build that logic into Runway directly. Of course, you have the ability for the pressure test every plan. This is about testing the resilience of your financial plans before putting them into action. You can stress test assumptions like costs, hiring, or sales targets against different scenarios. It helps reveal weak spots or overly optimistic projections. Ultimately, this ensures your business has a realistic and adaptable plan. For example, what if happens if revenue drops 15%? Or what if we increase headcount by 20%? All right? And then there's going to be the what if scenarios. All right, so this goes hand in hand with scenario planning, but is more flexibility and speed. Runway allows you to instantly model what if situations to see their financial impact, so you don't have to rebuild spreadsheets. You just tweak variables and get answers, and empowers leadership to make confident decisions on the fly. And of course, if you have like a scenario wherein what if we expand to a new market in next quarter? The system quickly shows how it affects revenue, expenses, and cash flow. And then, and of course, with Runway, act on shared intuition. So that means it offers the sales forecast, helping you project revenue based on past performance, pipeline data, and market trends. It allows you to model different scenarios like optimistic, conservative, worst case, and track actual performance against forecasted targets. It aligns sales expectations with overall business strategy, essentially giving leadership visibility into where revenue is heading and whether growth goals are realistic. And of course, you have the marketing spend and performance. With this, it connects you to marketing budget with measurable results, providing insights into how much you're spending across campaigns, channels, or regions. The ROI or return on investment of those efforts, performance metrics like lead generation, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition. It ensures marketing dollars are allocated efficiently and directly tied to sales and growth outcomes. And of course, you have the headcount plans. With this, it focuses on workforce planning and hiring forecasts. You have the budgeting for current and future employees, model hiring needs by department or role. It aligns staffing plans with company growth and revenue goals, making sure hiring decisions are financially sustainable and in sync with strategic priorities. And then with Runway, you have the ability to fast track to clarity. Number one is going to be the kickoff. Okay, so this is going to be the setup stage. Runway connects you to existing systems to centralize financial and operational data. So you can pull information from 750 plus integrations, including HRIS or Human Resources Information Systems, ERP, CRM, and other platforms. It helps you eliminate data collection manually, ensuring everything is synced into one place for accuracy and efficiency. And then you have the model, wherein this is where you create the core function of your planning environment. You can build custom financial models like profit and loss statements, cash flow forecast, and headcount models. You can also layer in projections, different business scenarios, and multi-layer plans, giving you a flexible living model that updates automatically as your data changes, no matter the spreadsheets. Okay, so typically it takes around like 4 week average to build and refine. And then the last stage is going to be the strategize. Okay, so this is going to be the ongoing phase, focus on turning data into actions. So this is how it works. Runway provides strategy for check-ins and real-time support with their expert team to ensure your model stays relevant and aligned with the business goals. So the thing is, it keeps leadership and finance teams aligned, enabling continuous forecasting, planning, and decision making rather than relying on outdated quarterly reviews. And of course, speaking of their review, you might want to go to g2.com because if you're looking for authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to Runway, you can visit g2.com because the site offer valuable insights from real users and can help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. And that wraps up our dive into Runway. If you're looking for a tool that simplifies financial planning, forecasting, and reporting while keeping everything connected in one place, Runway is definitely worth exploring. So what do you think? Is Runway the right fit for your business? Let us know with your thoughts in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.